You see him, Jordan? I had a lot of video of it, but he took a bypass. You can videotape him coming through the thing. This is still on GPS. This rock might be a little bit of a problem here. The easy part, Jordan. This is fun. How do you like this, AJ?
It's awesome.
Yeah, that's Army stuff right here, buddy. Definitely been one I'd want to bring the Cherokee on now. This has full skid plate protection, so it's a little bit better. We got bang bang on the bump. Alright. I got the radio right now, AJ. I got the radio. Attachment or something I can put it on. You know Mabel back there,
Is this
Jordan?
a hiking thing? He's
No.
not, Sean. He doesn't.
Down there, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, you know what? I think so because it's part of another trail I've read online, and then they're griping about 4x4 trucks. See, this thing with some mud tires would do all right. Some nice mud terrains. BF Goodrich tires on you. That's definitely a hiking trail for me. You gotta crack the window a little bit. Be careful not to sit. Just almost. Oh, we don't want to intend to get that. Oh, we come back here. Yeah, this is what Saturdays is about. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Two birds, one stone. You get to do some manly stuff on your 13th birthday. You can send the Hummer off on a farewell. And look, I mean, you can map yourself out there. That's the best part. If you have an address and move out. You could get mail delivered. That'd be cool. Postman's got to take township at 11.
That's the pit back here. That's the pit back. Where am I gonna get? Remember when you're butt?
Well, no. No, you could, or not. I just won't hear very well back there.
elementary recess.
We can only hear half the people. We can hear the people with the more powerful radios. Now here I got a straddle. Slide down. This is where you get the good driving part comes into play. You don't have to use lots of experience.